African print tie. Welcome to another episode. We got another 335 wagon. Car came well, perfect, very stock. So in this video we are fitting a charge pipe because the car has a boost leak and keeps throwing an error every time you get on it. So we're fitting a charge pipe, and we'll take you through the process of how we're going to transform the stock 335 into something a little faster than the other wagon. Every now and then we'll be making changes to the wagon as parts come in. Stay tuned, keep watching this series. So remember to like, subscribe and share. First order of business, stock airbox out, stock charge pipe out, because I have a boost leak, so we need to remove the common places for failure. So we need to remove the cover and hopefully not break that. So couple of eights. So once you remove the cover that sits there, the vacuum line that comes there runs the length of the engine to somewhere here. We need to remove the intake. Focus, yeah. Need to remove that for the first turbo, that one for the second turbo, and this box will just lift off. So once you lift it off this side, lift it off here, don't forget to remove these rubber clips holding your harness. There, those rubber clips holding your harness, like this one here, and there's 3 of them. Okay, the airbox is out. So throttle body, charge pipe. This charge pipe is what we're replacing. You need to lift that clip like that. You need to remove the diverter valves, and then remove this clamp here, and then the whole charge pipe will come out. So when you undo the clip here, the charge pipe just pulls out. Also pulls out here after you lift this clip, and then the diverter valve, just twist this little gray tab, and they lift out like that. Okay, so we have access. Look at all that oil. We need a catch can. So when we have access to the mouth sensor here, what you can remove by undoing these two. They look like T25s. Undo them, lift it out, and then we'll put the mouth sensor on the new charge pipe. So this is the replacement charge pipe. It's made out of metal, unlike the stock one, which is made out of plastic and sometimes cracks. So you can see they're similar, with the famous Subaru dump valve airflow swapped. So now we just do the reverse of everything we did. Putting a dump valve. There's a dump valve here.
What about the smart one?
No smart valve.
Couldn't find the smart one.
Couldn't find the smart one. So before we reconnect the airflow sensor, map sensor, mouth sensor, whatever it's called,
or the F sensors,
we'll be adding this. This is a chip by 3D Design. It's similar to MHD Stage 1, I think, but we need this to put the car through its paces, so we know any other failure points before we start taking it apart for nice things. Okay, so everything is almost back together. The intakes are there. The vacuum hose, I don't know what for, is connected and securely.
brake line.
This one?
Yeah.
For the brake line, main brake line. Ah, okay. And for the exhaust thingy, flap valve. So yeah, let's start. And here. So now that the charge pipe is fixed, MHD is installed, but I don't have all the supporting modes for MHD to run proper MHD tune. I just have a stage 1 tune on the car because I only have a stock intercooler and stock downpipes. We changed the charge pipe, we changed the intake, but it's only enough for stage 1. So we'll just do a short pull now. Double tap the accelerator while it's in sport, it will change down. There's a change down. Then we'll do a short pull, and there is some boost. Not bad for stage 1. Yeah, so the boost leak is gone. The charge pipe is able to take the pressure. It was successful. We have a transmission flash on this. Watch as I slow down, it rev matches on its own. There we go. It's a pity I don't have an exhaust on this, so you can't hear the rev matches, but when the exhaust comes on, we'll try it again. There are the rev matches. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe, to like, to share and comment for more content like this. And so watch this build carefully. It's gonna be a very, very interesting build.